Okay, so now we're going to get into side hustle part 2. If you just watched my last video, I explained how to design and sell t-shirts by print on demand, which costs absolutely nothing out of pocket to start. This is another one like the other one. It costs zero out of pocket to start. Now, you're going to go over to canva.com. Like I said, it is my go-to program. Now, my father died in 2021 from COVID. And I am very big on when it's my loved ones, I want stuff done right. I want it to be top notch, but I am one of those people that feels like I have to do it in order for it to be done right. I really wanted my dad's obituaries to be A1. They had to be top of the top. And I just had to figure out how to do that myself. And that's exactly what I did. I figured out how to do it myself and I perfected it. It was a very emotional process for me, but they came out exactly how I wanted it, exactly how I envisioned them to come out. And what that taught me was people die, unfortunately, and this is something that is always going to be needed. Memorial items, obituaries, things like that. Now, in my area where I'm from, we had like 1 to 2 designated people that everybody went to when someone passed to get their obituaries made. Well, I had now figured out how to do this as well, and it was actually very easy. Once you learn how to navigate in Canva and you play around with it, you can make them yourself. Now, that's a digital product. Digital products are #1 top profit products because it costs zero to start and it costs zero out of pocket. So with this costing zero out of pocket to make, I thought to myself, okay, this is a good business idea. I can go to Instagram, create a free page and post my father's obituary and let others know that I can also create theirs for their loved one as well. And another good thing is, with it being a digital product, you can sell this item from here to Japan and it costs you absolutely nothing. So as you're using these free platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and whatever else you choose to network yourself, you're getting more and more people that see your work and realize, okay, this is good. I want her to do mine. And now you have another flow of income coming in. Again, that costs you absolutely nothing. Make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe for more videos. I am going to be dropping these gems as often as I can. Like I said, it is 2023. We are trying to get all the money, baby.